Welcome to Hawaii.
Yep.
Big Island.
Here we are in our rented car, driving from Hilo and Kona to Hilo. Here we taking the back road between Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa, several volcanoes, lava flows, and of course the fields, rainbows, and of course we had rain on the way as well, which that was fun.
So clear. Oh wow. Oh, I never see the real rainbow like this in my life. Yeah.
Oh, right here, baby.
So there's a picture of Mauna Kea that Jazzy took, and here's our first hotel that we stayed the night at. There's a clerk, she was very helpful. We even got free kombuchas, and then there's the pool at the hotel that we didn't swim in. Very nice garden. And our hotel was really nice. We also did kayaking as well, which was included with the hotel. There's a little lake in the back of the hotel. And then they also have live music. Here we are at Ken's House of Pancake. We ordered the sumo, which they hit a gong, and you are royally served. Oh, that was so good. Yes, I was hungry.
Wow.
Of course, since it's a house of pancakes.
Thank you.
I did want pancakes, which I did. Of course, show some honor. So here we are at the Hilo Farmer Market. Over here we got to try all sorts of tropical fruits like the papayas, rambutans, and pomelos. We're about to try a coconut, which you got to drink out of and eat the meat.
Give the bag to him. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is art.
So here we are at the Big Island's candy factory.
Again.
Would you like to try sample? Chocolate, any food allergies, macadamia nuts, crunch chocolate, and butter chocolate. Do you have coffee?
Yeah.
You want
Okay. I like one coffee.
100% coffee is perfect.
So over here at the candy factory, you can see the people manufacturing the candies, which is mainly chocolate. They make chocolate covered macadamias, and they also make several types of chocolate biscuits, fudge, and toffee, bark, with nuts as well. All really good. And they serve them all in a very gift style. Here we are at the Kuhio Grill, where we're going to try a lala.
See what inside here?
It looks like pork, I guess more leaves. So here we are at Big Island Coffee, where you get to see them manufacture and make coffee. Of course, this island, besides fruit and sugar, they also grow coffee as well. Here's part of downtown Hilo, which we'll see on the tour. And here we are at Rainbow Falls, where in the morning time at the falls, when the sun touches the waterfall, here you get to see a rainbow. And then here we are at Kaka Falls, which is a long waterfall. Also a nice walk to see all the trees, wildlife, a little bit of a breathtaking view of Akaka Falls. Here's Waialae Falls, where you can actually swim at no charge. It's kind of hard to get around, but you can get there and you can swim. There's me. Here in Hawaii has a lot of Japanese culture, therefore a lot of Japanese restaurants exist here. So here we got ourselves a sushi boat. And here we are on our volcano tour.
Called Loihi. To think about 20,000, 30,000 years from now, hey, Loihi's going to join a big island. This island's going to get much larger. Yep. So this island is still growing.
So hey, welcome to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Right behind me is a Halamala crater of Kilauea volcano, and normally you see lava erupting in this crater by now. Unfortunately, it's all dormant, crusted. As you can see there, we got some density here, there, very white oxide, sulfur dioxide. Secondary volcano here in Hawaii. As well. Usually erupts every couple decades. Last time we had an eruption was back in September, which we unfortunately missed. Here's one of the many steam vents at Kilauea. Actually, kind of feels like you're next to a campfire.
Oh, nice.
So unfortunately, no eruption or activity going on, but we did get to see a lot.
Here we are the lava field.
So this is a lava flow of an old eruption that there's a crater from right behind. And here I got looks like I think it's like a pumice basalt mix. And you can see all the different forms it takes. It's made up of several different metals, like iron, magnesium, I think aluminum too. So here we're walking on an old eruption. This is lava, which is very blocky, very sharp. There's where the old main crater was from that eruption over there, and that's Pahoehoe, which is a very soft, smooth, ropey lava. Makes much more of a flat surface. Jay's inside a crater.
And this is a lava tube. Oh.
So we went snorkeling over at Kona. Supposed to be a dolphin tour, which we did not get to see any dolphins. We did get to see a lot of fish, moray eels, but unfortunately we did not take any pictures. But we did get to see some places like Captain Cook Monument. We also got to eat. And we got to see several parts of the edge of the island. This was the place to actually see the dolphins, but we did not see any. Here's an old lava tube. And what looks to be like a sleeping lady is what inspired the Disney movie Moana.
Down to the sea, enjoy the view, work and play till the sun goes down. We cruise the beach road to Kona town. Kailua Kona, where the air is clean. Kailua Kona, where the grass is green. Kailua Kona, where the fish is fine. Kailua Kona, Kailua, check this out.
which means party in Hawaiian.
Then reaching down, bringing it halfway up, placing it on the lower part of your hip, and creating a second tie. I'm sure you agree this style accentuates Ilona's curves very nicely.
So at the Lua, we got to see a little fire show and several dances, and of course take pictures at the end. So whenever you have the time and the money, make a trip to Hawaii, definitely the Big Island, where you will see all sorts of wildlife, try all sorts of new food, experience culture, the history, and most of all, the paradise. When we were fixing to leave, we didn't want to leave. We actually wanted to stay and stay longer to experience more. Going home was the last thing on our minds. Thank you for watching The Journey of Jazz. See you next time.